Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngisacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma usamoshaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhube uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zilokufakela zona kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Udaba engilethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana injabulo ibhale ebusweni-ke laphana-ke kwabe-M_K njengoba sonke sazi kunololo msindo lo khona-ke laphana-ke phakathi-ke kukaMalema-ke we-EFF-ke laphana-ke nabe-M_K-ke nabe-M_K-ke noJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke khona-ke sikwenze-ke ividiyo-ke laphana-ke veza-ke ingxabano ekhona-ke laphana-ke kwi-EFF, kodwa-ke angifuni ukuningi mina ukuthi-ke uzwe ngaphethe nje dlala le vidiyo leyo uzwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke Lusisi-ke. Mina ngicela kulapho masizuleke le video kuma-comment section futhi uvo lakho ubona kanjani-ke ngalo-ke lo daba-ke osekwenze kulungile-ke ungixhasa ucindezele-ke lelo bhathini subscribe nje kumahhala nje khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhube uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
So uDr Ndlozi is partially fired from the EFF because who will stand such a public disrespect? Yabo makhulunywa ngumuntu okuthiwa uyayakha indlu yakhe aphinde asibhidlizele. It's this guy. No, this guy uyasibhidlizela shem. Uyayibhidliza and abalandeli bakhe will be in denial, but at some point bazogcina bebona ukuthi no, ayisesibambelele ey'dindini ayisekho le. Uze uthi even if it means we lose voters, I don't care. Like, how do you say ama-statement are reckless kanje? And angayiqali lento yakhe. I remember sikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ebra awureconsider lento yakho yokubeka abantu bangaphandle umenze i-priority. Washo njalo wathi even if it means I lose votes, and he did lose votes because of that. And now I feel like he's pissing off people even more because ngeke uthi wena ukwatele uNdlozi ukwatele just because akaspayanga, because when usho lo uthi this guy uyacabanga kodwa before akhuluma uthi the way I feel entitled to loyalty yakaNdlozi ngakhona, it's like ufuna loyalty girlfriend yakhe uthi you knew but you didn't tell me, and you guys in the way I cannot tolerate umuntu ungekho loyal to me. It's a me thing. It's a me thing. Ati, you knew this thing was going to destroy the organization. Tomorrow uzobeti ukuhamba kwabantu does not move, does not destroy, does not make a difference kwi-organization. Namhlanje uthi uDlozi wathula ne-information ayazi kahle ukuthi it's going to destroy which niyadestroyeka noma cha, choose your heart. And uthi kumele uNdlozi amtshene, like imagine being kwi-EFF manje sekumele wazi ukuthi if you hear anything fanele kuyoyitshena uMalema, because if you don't I feel like usayidlipiza lo vele usenokuthi nje, especially masuthi awancengile namavote ayike.